Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Ready to build your very own DIY drone from scratch? Strap in, because today we're diving into the exciting world of drone assembly. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome drone building tips. First things first, let's talk about the components you'll need. You've got your frame, motors, ESCs, flight controller, propellers, battery, and a transmitter. Make sure you've got everything laid out and ready to go. Safety goggles and gloves on? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Assembling the frame. This is the backbone of your drone. Whether you're using a prefabricated kit or cutting your own pieces, ensure everything is solid and stable. Tighten those screws, but don't overdo it. We don't want any cracks here. Next up, the motors. You'll need 4, one for each corner of your drone. Secure them to the frame using the provided screws. Remember, the orientation matters. 2 motors should spin clockwise and the other 2 counterclockwise. This helps with stability and control. Alright, now let's move on to the ESCs, or electronic speed controllers. These little guys regulate power to your motors. Connect each ESC to its corresponding motor, making sure all wires are secure. You don't want anything coming loose mid-flight. Now it's time to install the flight controller, the brain of your drone. This gets mounted in the center of your frame. Use vibration dampening pads if you have them. They help keep your flight controller stable. Connect the ESCs to the flight controller. Double check those connections, folks. One loose wire can mean disaster in the air. Let's attach the propellers. These should match the orientation of your motors. Slide them on and tighten them down. Make sure they're secure but not overly tight. You'll want to keep an eye on these regularly. Now for the battery, connect it to the power distribution board, making sure the polarity is correct. Secure the battery with straps or Velcro. We don't want it flying off during your drone's first flight. Lastly, let's talk about the transmitter. Bind it to your flight controller according to the manufacturer's instructions. This will allow you to control your drone wirelessly. Check all your connections one last time before powering up. And there you have it, your very own DIY drone, ready to take to the skies. Remember, building a drone takes patience and precision. Don't rush through it. Take your time and enjoy the process. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Have any tips or questions? Drop them in the comments below. Happy flying, everyone. Until next time, keep those propellers spinning.